Okay, when a pair of line, look here, when a pair of line is caught by the line, this line, look here, the line which chords, or we can tell intersect also, okay, they will be formed altogether. How many angles, then? They will be formed
8.
8
8.
angles. Good. 8 angles. As I told you, this is angle number 1, this is angle number 2, and this is angle number 3. Okay. And this is angle number 4, and this is angle number 5, and this is angle number 6, this is angle number 6, and this is angle number 7, and this is angle number 8. There are formed altogether 8 angles. Okay. Look here. Among these 8 angles, among these 8 angles, okay, among these 8 angles, 4 angles are formed outside the pair of line. 4 angles are formed outside the pair of line. How many angles are formed outside?
4.
Yes,
4.
Pradol. Yes, good, Pradol. 4 angles are formed outside. Which is angle number are formed outside? Can you tell? Which angles are formed outside?
1, 2, 8,
Angle
and
number
7.
1, 8 and 7.
1, 2, 8 and 7, or 7 and 8. Okay, Prajal?
Yes, sir.
Yes. These 1, 2, 7, 8. These 4 angles are known as exterior angles. 1 number, right? 2 number, okay? Look there. 7 number angle, and angle number 8. These angles are called exterior angles. Which angle?
Exterior angles.
Yes. Its spelling will be like this. Look here, I am showing there. Exterior angle. EXT. Look there, I am writing here.
Sir, these number are formed where?
Look here, once again I am going to show you. When a pair of line is caught by the transversal, here will be formed how many angles? 8
8.
angles. I told this angles, look here. This is 2 number 1. Okay, 1, 2, and this is, look here. This 7 number and this one 8 number. Look, these 1 number angle and 2 number angle and 7 number angle and this 8 number angle, these are exterior angle. Which angle?
Exterior angle.
Exterior angles. Are you clear, children? How many angles are there? Exterior angle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many exterior angle are there?
4.
4.
Yes, good. There are 4 exterior angles. There are 4 exterior angles. Okay. There are 4. How many angles? What type of angle this one? 4
Exterior.
exterior
Four
angles. Okay.
exterior angles.
They are exterior angles. Okay, Ritik? And now
Okay,
look
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Look here. With which angle that I am going to show you now. Here, when a pair of line is caught by the transversal, this line, pair of line means these two lines, caught by the line, another line. This line is called transversal. Here are formed 4 interior. Interior means which are formed inside. This inside one. Okay. This was number 3, right? And this was number 4, and this was number 5 angle. Okay. This is number 5, and this is number 6. Okay. These angles are called interior angles. What type of angles are they? Ritik,
Interior angle.
can you tell the spelling?
Interior.
Can you tell the spelling of interior? Look there that I'm writing here.
INTERIOR.
INTERIAL. One.
R-I-O-R. R-I-O-R. These angles are known as interior angles. Can you identify interior angles and exterior angles, Lynn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Ritik, can you identify?
Yes, sir.
Look, this line and this line is called what? Pair of line. And this line is known as? Which I am speaking?
line.
This is called transversal line. This last one, picked one. Okay, Celine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to tell you about corresponding angles, co-interior angles, and alternate angles. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
Here once, when this pair of line is caught by the transversal, okay? This is transversal. At that time, look here, the angle which are formed, one is outside, okay? One is outside, this is exterior, okay, Ritik? One is exterior and the interior. These type of angles are known as, look, both of the angles are formed at the different vertex. This is different vertex and this is different vertex, look. Both of them are different vertex. These two angles are known as corresponding angle. What type of angles are they, children?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles. Okay, look at these corresponding angles will be equal when these pair of lines are parallel. And there will be given arrow over the lines. Okay, then we should understand these two lines are parallel. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
So this and this is corresponding angle. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
And similarly, look here. Here also look here. This is, suppose this is a pair of line and there is a transversal. Okay. One is outside, left side, look here. And this is inside. These two angles are also corresponding angle. Which angle
Sir,
that
which
I am
one?
showing here? Look, I am showing here at the figure, look here. Are you looking at my pencil there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this look where I am showing my pencil, Prajwal, these two angles are known as corresponding angle. And corresponding angle will be equal when? When these two lines are parallel. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Similarly, corresponding angle will be like this also here. And this is transversal. And look here, this side also, this angle is inside, this angle is outside. These two angles are also corresponding angle. And this corresponding angle will be equal when these two lines are parallel. Okay, children? Okay, Ritik?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Can you identify corresponding angle now? One left more. Okay, corresponding angle, look here. When these two lines are parallel and caught by the transversal, look here. Then these two lines are parallel. By looking this one, okay, by seeing this one arrow, we'll identify these two lines are parallel. And when these parallel lines given, then these corresponding angles will be equal. And one thing you have to understand, children, when corresponding angles are equal, this pair of lines also will be parallel. Okay, Dishan?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
When corresponding lines are, look here, when corresponding angles are equal, this pair of lines will be parallel. When corresponding angles are equal, these two lines will be parallel to each other. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now look here, I am moving to the next one. Can you identify the corresponding angle? Can you identify?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you now next one type. This one, look here. When a pair of line is look at these two lines suppose parallel, okay? This line parallel to this line suppose, okay? And at that time, when these two lines are parallel, see here, when this line is transversal, see here, this angle is known as alternate angle. See, this angle and this angle, opposite side of the transversal. Look, one on the left side and on the right side. And this also alternate angle. Look,
Sir, this type of angle is called what?
alternate angle. One is formed on the right side and is formed on the left side. But both of them will be inside the pair of line. Inside the pair of line, okay? These two are alternate angles, and alternate angles will be equal when this pair of lines are parallel, okay? Remember that. If alternate angles are equal, pair of lines are parallel. If pair of lines are parallel, alternate angles will be equal. Just if pair of lines are parallel, alternate angles will be equal. Just vice versa, we can tell. Okay. If lines are parallel, alternate angles equal. If alternate angles equal, lines will be parallel. Okay, then these are called alternate interior, and there will be alternate exterior also. Look, outside also will be alternate. I am going to show you. Look here. Suppose these two lines are parallel, okay, and if transversal is here, and this suppose this parallel, these two lines are parallel. Look here. Here, look, this angle, look here, this angle is outside, this also outside, but that is the opposite side of the transversal. Both of them are outside. Look, this is also alternate angles. But what type of alternate? These are called alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior.
Exterior.
Why alternate exterior? Do you know? Because both of them are outside. Look, outside the pair of line. Similarly, here, look here. When pair of line is caught by the transversal, here, see here, I am going to show. This also will be alternate angle, look. But this also alternate exterior. This and this one. This also alternate exterior. What type of angle?
Alternate exterior.
Exterior.
Yes. Why exterior? Do you know? Because both of them are outside the pair of line.
Outside.
Both of them are outside the pair of line. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can you identify alternate angle? Can you identify alternate
Yes,
angle?
sir.
Good. Now, only one thing is left for this exercise. I am going to show you that here. That is, look, when pair of line is caught by the transversal. Okay. If these two lines are parallel, then look here. See here. If both on the same side, look here. Both on the same side, both inside. This type of angles is known as co-interior angles.
Corresponding.
Interior.
Co-interior.
Co-interior. Co-interior angle sum will be 180 degree. When we add this co-interior angle, their sum will be 180. When? If these two lines are parallel. Suppose this is given 60. Then this angle will be automatically how much? 120.
180.
20. Because sum of the co-interior angle will be
180.
80 degree. co-interior angles. You understood this co-interior angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, co-interior angles. Okay, co-interior angles. Okay, children, this co-interior angle. And remember that alternate angle that we saw, alternate angles are equal if pair of lines are parallel, okay? And corresponding angles also equal. Corresponding angles will be equal, alternate angles also will be equal if the pair of lines are parallel. But co-interior angle sum will be 180. Similarly, here also look here, this also co-interior. This angle, look at this angle and this angle is what? Co-interior angles. Their
Co-interior angle.
sum also will be what? 180 degree. If
180 degree.
when
180.
this line is parallel to this line, when this parallel line, okay, these are parallel lines, then when you add this co-interior angles, their sum will be 180 degree. Similarly, look at this one also. Here, these are what type of angle? Can you tell? If both are outside, look at on the same side of the transversal. These are called co-exterior.
Co-exterior.
Co-exterior. Okay. Co-exterior. They are co-exterior angles.
angle.
Okay, children? Hello, Sarah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Understanding co-exterior angle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And co-exterior angle sum also will be what? 180 degree if these two lines are parallel. Similarly, this side also, what will be this one? Tell. This angle also co-exterior. Look, this angle and this angle also co-exterior angle. They are on the same side of the transversal, and this two lines sum also, this look at this two angles sum will be 180 degree. When you add this angle and this angle, their sum also will come 180 degree. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
now I am moving to the exercise. I hope you are clear about corresponding angle, co-interior angles and co-exterior angles, alternate angles also. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And remember that, look here, there will be two types of alternate angles. Alternate angles, as I told you, alternate angles will be one on the right side and on the left side. This is called alternate interior angle. Okay. If alternate angles, both of them are suppose outside, okay. If they are outside the pair of line, they are called alternate exterior angle. These are called alternate exterior and these are called alternate interior. Okay. Okay, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
And now look here. I am
Okay,
going-
sir.
Yes. Yes, please. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now look here. I am moving to the exercise now. Hello, children. My screen shared there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, children. Now we are going to start the exercise. Okay. Okay, Sarah. Ritik, Dishant,
Okay, sir.
Aditi, ready for the exercise. Be ready for the exercise.
Okay,
please.
sir.
Be ready for the exercise to do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look there. Okay, Sarah, Ritik. Okay, now our
Yes, sir.
exercise 1.3 exercise, okay, goes like this. Everybody be ready to solve. And there is given this figure. Draw this figure, and by using this figure, we have to write the answer of the given question. By using this figure, we have to write the answer of this given question. Okay, children? Okay, Ritek?
Yes, sir.
Ritek, are you ready? Hello,
Yes,
Ritek, are
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
ready? to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
make your copy ready to write down. And look here, the question tells that the PQ and R, look here, they are caught by the transversal. What name of the transversal is here? XY. Okay, XY has caught the, these two lines at the point M and N. And question is asking to write exterior angle. Can you tell exterior angles? How many exterior angles are there?
4.
How many? 4. Very good. What are those 4 exterior angles? Sarah, can you read? What are those 4 exterior angles? Look on the screen. Look on the screen and tell.
X and
Tell the exterior angle.
R and Y, PMX, XMQ, SNY.
Good, good, good. Now, Rujip. Hello, Rujip. Now, read the question number 2. Interior angles. Read. Hello, Rujip. Read this question number 2 and its answer. Tell.
Sir,
Question number 2. Interior angles.
PMN, SNM,
Huh?
QMN, and RNM.
Yeah, before telling the name of angle, please write tell angle R and M like this. Angle R and M. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Ritik, tell me this now. Pair of alternate angles. Read it. There are pair of alternate angles.
Sir, sir.
There are 4 pair of alternate
Okay.
angles. Tell
So P.
angle PMN.
Pairs of so PNM and SNM, no, PMX and SNY.
Down one.
QMN and QNM. Sorry, RNM. QMX and RNY.
Good. Very good. Now pair of co-interior angles.
PMN and RNM, QMN and SNM.
Now Prajol, read this pair of corresponding angles.
Okay, sir.
Read it.
Sir, it is not showing.
Okay, read now.
Oh, angle PMN and angle RNY, angle PMX and angle RNX, angle QMN and angle SNY, angle XMQ and angle MNS.
Good. Thank you very much. Now I am going to next one slide. In this one question, we have to find the value of x. These are what type of angles, Sarah? They are Sarah, what type of angles are they? These are,
Interior angle.
sorry, this is corresponding angle. This is corresponding angle. X equals to 62 degree. Why corresponding angle will be equal? You know, because look, these two lines are parallel. That's why x degree equals to 62 degree. Okay, children. And now look here. This is the answer only of this figure. Rujib, hello Susan, Aditi. Have you understood this? X and 62 degree are what? Corresponding angle. They are equal because these two lines are parallel. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I am moving to the next one. Disan, hello Disan. And hello Prajwal. Okay. Now let's look here. What type of angles are these two angles tell? X and 100 degree.
They are co-interior angles.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. They are co-interior angles. And when we add co-interior angles, their sum will be what? 180 degree. Because these two lines are parallel. Their sum will be 180 degree. Then we have to write like this. Look here. Add them. Their sum will be 180 degree. Then value of x will come there.
Sir, can you show that slide once?
Okay, I have shown there. The value of x will come.
Yes.
First of all, add them. Their sum will be 180 degree being co-interior angles. Then solve it, then you'll get the value of x. Okay, Ritik?
Sir, we need to write this all.
Yes, you have to note down. You have to prepare the note copy of math, compulsory math, of geometry. Remember.
Sir, this you write as in geometry copy or in normal Nepali copy.
You better to write in geometry copy, okay? If you don't have that, then you can make that copy also.
Sir?
The lining copy also you can make if you don't have the geometry one copy.
Okay, sir.
And look here x degree equals to what is here? 80 degree. But better to make the plain one copy for the geometry one, okay?
Okay, sir.
Ritik, you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rujib, Susan, Disan,
Boy, not
Aditi.
coming.
Look, I am going to show you the next question. What type of angles are these given angles? Can you tell? These angles are
The alternate angle.
very good, very
Alternate.
good, very good.
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate, sir.
Yeah, alternate angles.
Interior
Yes, very
angles.
good. And alternate angles will be equal because these two lines are given parallel. That is only answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Alternate angles are equal. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now, next one, look there, next one. What type of angles are these one? Tell. Tell, and there is no relationship of these two angles, but we have to bring. This angle we can suppose A. Okay, we can suppose this angle A, where I am pointing, look here. This is being vertical of this angle. Being vertical of this angle. And we can add A and X. A and X add being co-interior angle. Okay. Then X value will come 180 degree minus 64. That means 116 degree. Okay, children.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First of all, we have to suppose this angle is A. A equals to 64 degree. Being vertical of this angle, then A plus X is co-interior angle. Their sum will be 180 degree. A plus X, look here, their sum is 180 degree. Being co-interior
Okay, sir.
angle. Okay. Then look here, I am going to show you next one. Okay, these other questions we have to learn, okay?
Okay,
Next-
sir.
Next class. Okay, children.
Sir.
Okay,
Sir.
and today just one number.
Sir,
and-
we should not rejoin.
No, we don't need to rejoin. Or you want to rejoin? There is next period also. There is next period also. That's why. Okay. Recently, after this, I have the next period. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Today we are going to read this one number and two number only, and its introduction and one. Okay. And other questions we will study in next period. Okay, children. Bye bye.
Sir, we should
Bye
rejoin.
bye, sir.
No, we don't need to rejoin now.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye,
And
sir.
please
Bye-bye,
don't
sir.
forget
Bye,
to
sir.
get the note copy of math.
Sir,
Don't
our
forget.
homework for today.
Okay, that will be given there only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, in
Google Classroom.
classroom.